Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to USDC video update. So USDC looking pretty good right now, but it has actually reached a certain level of resistance at the moment. So it's really important to cross this resistance, because you can see you've been making wicks, came down close below that line, make wicks again, came down close below that line. So what you want to do is a very bullish breakout with a volume and come back, hold the retest, and then boom, you could actually be on the verge of coming up to 0.2, nearly 2 cents right there. Now at the moment, I just want to see what's going on. There could potentially be a pennant trying to be printed out as well. Something like this could be a pennant as well, and you break the pennant and you just go all the way to the upside as well. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. Can actually be very clear on a 4-hour time frame. So I do see probably we could be starting to make a pennant here. So that could be something like that, and this can be something like this from there to there. And when you soon enough, there's very soon you're gonna pop somewhere. Okay, you can even pop to the downside. So depending on where you pop, then you can actually say that we're looking to go from there to there, and this can move all the way up to 0.11497, and that's gonna be pretty huge. In my opinion, that's gonna be like a 85% move to the upside, which is not small. That's actually quite a big move to the upside. And then you do have a pop to the downside, which can actually take it just a small move to 5474. So wherever the direction really matters. You haven't really broken out of anything. So let's see what happened. My take is, if it just becomes very bullish, it's gonna move to the upside. It doesn't even make sense to continue higher, but it could actually go for a little bit of correction, maybe down to 4924. That would be also good. Corrections are healthy, and then later on move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this USDC update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.